Hello friends, so welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Samsung Galaxy Book4 Edge series laptop. So friends, Samsung unveiled the Galaxy Book4 Edge series laptop with Snapdragon X Elite CPU, and the laptop comes with 14-inch and 16-inch screen size, and friend both models are stunning visual with 3K 2880 into 1800 pixel resolution AMOLED display featuring a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and the brightness is 400 nits, and for HDR content in 500 nits brightness, and they support VRR technology for tear-free visual, boast a wide 120% DCI-P color gamut, and touch enabled with 10-point multi-touch capabilities, and the Galaxy Book4 Edge series comes with 16 GB RAM for multitasking as, and the battery life operated 55.9 Wh for 14-inch model and 61.8 Wh for the 16-inch model. And friend, both models offer a versatile selection of ports, including two USB 4 port, HDMI 2.1 port, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. And the 16-inch version adds further functionality with a USB 3.2 Type A port and micro SD card reader. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.